high energy costs, toxic fumes, constant pump blockages. Smelting lead isn't just inefficient, it's burning your margins. It's time to shift to the new standard. Introducing the CAM lead shaver, high-performance cold milling technology for the modern battery industry. Precision meets massive scale. Process up to 3.6 tons per hour using 45 kilogram ingots. While traditional gas furnaces consume 90 kilowatt hours per ton, and standard cold systems struggle with efficiency, the lead shaver operates at just 4 kilowatt hours. That is an 86% reduction in energy costs starting from day one. Zero fumes, zero hazardous dross, no more pump failures. You get a healthier workspace for your team and a 100% material yield. No waste, no downtime, just pure, continuous production. Lead Shaver by CAM. Secure your competitive advantage through engineering excellence.